Hey there everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to extract audio from video CapCut PC. So let's get started. First of all, let me just add a video into my timeline real quick by drag and drop like this. All right, then here is my video. Okay, so how we can extract the audio from this video? As you can see, if we just zoom in, you can see here is my audio with the video. So I want to just extract the audio out from this video. So how we can do that is very simple. Just right click on your mouse, and from here you will see extract audio option. Okay, so previously it was renamed as the separate audio. Now the name has been changed and it is being said as extract audio. Okay, just tap on it, and as you can see, our audio and video has been separated. If you just make a group or retract the audio, then what you need to do, you need to select the both clips, right click on it and make compound clip. Okay, so that will bring up the audio and the video together again. So I think this video helps you out. If yes, please like, comment, and never forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.